Yo guys, this is Zboy Montebon up for another video, and today's video is another episode of Karaoke with Zboy. So today's Karaoke with Zboy, we are going to sing Selena Gomez, Wolves. I never sang this one. Batian din ako siya sa kanang mga jeep, mga kuan, mabatian din ako. But wala pa gid ako nakasuway nga gikanta din ako. So today, we're going to sing it and let's see what happens. Disclaimer if bati man kay akong pagkakanta ba. Ayaw ko ninyo iba siya. So, let's put our headsets on and let's play the music. In your eyes there's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth, water or wine, don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did that summer night. Drunk on the feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I'll look for love in every stranger, took too much to ease the anger, all for you, yeah, all for you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you, na get to you. To get to you. To get to you. Fingertips trace my skin to places I have never been. Bend the eye, I'm following, breaking down these walls and come on in. I wanna feel the way that we did summer night. Drunk on a feeling, alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I've looked for love in every stranger, took too much to waste anger, all for you, yeah, all for you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you, na get to you. Oh no no, to get to you, to get to you, you. Oh, to get to running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you. Okay. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I've looked for love in every stranger, took too much to waste the anger, all for you, yeah, all for you. I've been running through the jungle, I've been crying with the wolves to get to you, to get to you, to get to you. That's it! That's it. Oh my god, that's it! That's it! I thought that I'd sing that song. It's just so crazy. I will not make it long, so this is Zboy Montebon signing out for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up and comment down below what song do you want me to sing, what do you want me to sing next in Karaoke with Zboy episode. And I hope you have fun in my videos. So my videos are not real amazing, but I work hard for it, and I hope that someone appreciates it. Like I would appreciate it if you share this video, if you like this video, or if you tell your friends about this video. That's it. Zboy Montebon. Zboy.